Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are doing good and fine at your home. And I also suppose you have completed chapter 8, plants, and you have understood the chapter properly. Okay? So, in our this semester, moving on to our next chapter, this chapter is somewhat related to the chapter 8, that is plants, which we have already studied, right? We saw how different plants are, growing according to the different atmosphere, different climate, right? Then we saw the different parts of the plants, which is very important, right? How plant grows, how does it prepare its food, all this we have learned in chapter 8, that is plants, right? So today we are going to start with the new chapter, that is uses of plants. How plants come into use and how we use plants, okay? What are all the benefits which plants provide us, okay? So before beginning with the chapter, I will show you one picture, okay? Alright, what do you see in this picture? Can you see vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses, medicine and beauty products, gases, wood, oils, then different other materials, right? Where do this all material come from? Can you guess? Yes, somewhere it's all related to plants, right? We get vegetables from plants, we get fruits from plants, then different cereals, pulses, okay? Also medicinal products. All this we get from plants, right? So we use plants in different forms. These are the different forms of plants which we are using. You must be thinking why wood is there. From where do you get the furniture? You might be sitting on a dining table or on your bed, while doing this lesson. So, if you're sitting on the chair or bed, that wood is coming from what? Tree, right? It is a form of plant from where it helps us to get the wood, and from that we make the furniture, right? Okay, so moving on to your next, open your textbook, keep a pencil in your hand and do read with me. Okay, we begin with chapter 9, uses of plants. Now, before getting started, there is one activity which says circle the things that are made up of wood. Okay, now in this box, whatever things you find out, which are made up of wood, do circle them, right? And let me know when you're coming for submission of your books, right? Okay, so we start with the chapter. We cannot live without plants. Plants help us in many ways. Some plants give us food while others give us shelter and clothes, right? You must have heard the story of that monkey and the cap seller. So where was that cap seller sitting under the tree, and the monkeys were on the tree, okay? So not only plants provide us food, but they also provide us shelter, okay? They are also helping animals to have a home. So we have so many uses of plants, okay? Then we have different fabrics. If you remember, we have learnt about clothes. How do we prepare cotton clothes? It's all coming out from plants, right? The cotton is turned into fabric, and then fabric is turned into a ready-made cloth, right? So there again, in preparing the clothes, also plants help us, right? Okay. Now, the first part which we are going to learn, that plants help us to get the fruits, okay? We eat fruits of many plants, right? We have different trees, and that trees bear the fruit, right? Which we have in different seasons, have different fruits, right? The first one is apple, then banana, mango, grapes, orange, pineapple. All the seasons have different fruits. Like if you would have observed, during winters we have lot of guava, right? So plant is again a product of fruits is also again a product of plants, right? Okay. Next we move on to vegetables. हमें और क्या क्या मिलता है? Vegetables. We eat many vegetables. They are actually different parts of the plants. Okay. अब जो vegetables हैं वो different parts of plants हैं. ठीक है? कुछ leaves होती हैं, कुछ रूट्स होते हैं, कुछ एक्चुअल में फ्रूट होता है, राइट? प्लांट्स में अगर हम वेजिटेबल की बात करें तो वो प्लांट्स के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स भी होते हैं, राइट? सो व्हेन वी सी व्हाट आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ रूट्स, प्लांट्स में कौन सी ऐसी वेजिटेबल्स हैं जो रूट्स में आती हैं? सो वी हैव कैरेट, रेडिश एंड टर्निप. व्हाट इज टर्निप? शलगम. ओके, यहाँ पे नहीं मिलता है ज़्यादा, but then it's a very sweet vegetable. You find it more in the northern side. Okay, now plant vegetables that are roots, that means ये ज़मीन के नीचे उगते हैं, that is why they are roots. Where are the roots? We have learnt in plants, no? Where are the roots? They are under the earth, okay, under the ground. So these plants grow under the ground. Okay, then we have vegetables that are stem. What is stem? Which take care of the plant. ठीक है? अब जो stems में कौन कौन सी vegetables आएंगी? Potato, ginger and onion. They grow like a stem. Okay? Then vegetables that are leaves. Okay, where do you found the leaves? They are on the stem. Okay, the extension part of the plant. So you have lettuce and you have spinach. What is spinach? Palak. Okay. Then vegetables that are flowers. Okay. पूरा प्लांट उग जाता है, उसमें सिर्फ बर्ड होता है, बर्ड के बाद जो फ्लावर आता है, we found out these vegetable as the flowers. So we have cauliflower. That's why the name has flower part, right? So cauliflower and broccoli. Very important. Good source of protein and vitamin C, right? Then we have vegetables that are fruits. ठीक है, प्लांट पूरा उग गया, फ्लावर आ गया, फ्लावर के बाद वो फ्रूट में कन्वर्ट होता है. तो ऐसी कौन सी वेजिटेबल्स हैं that are a form of fruits? So we have brinjal, we have tomato, then we have cucumber, right? You can also grow tomato at your home. अगर आप कभी घर पे टोमेटो का प्लांट लगाएंगे तो आप देखेंगे कैसे वो प्लांट धीरे धीरे बड़ा होता है, उसमें से फिर एक छोटा फ्लावर होता है, एंड देन यू गेट द टोमेटो एज अ फ्रूट, राइट? सो रिमेंबर दैट वेजिटेबल विच कम्स दैट आर फ्रूट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. सो वी हैव इन दैट ब्रिंजल, टोमेटो एंड क्यूकम्बर. ओके, नाउ वेजिटेबल्स दैट आर सीड्स दैट फंक्शन लाइक अ सीड. We have broad bean, then we have corn and we have peas. Peas क्या होता है? मटर. Corn, मकई. Okay? So all these are different forms of vegetables which we have, which are different parts of plant. Okay? So again one time we'll repeat that vegetables that are roots. Roots में कौन कौन से plants आते हैं? कौन कौन सी vegetables आती हैं? Carrot, radish and turnip. Okay, then vegetable that are stems, we have potato, ginger and onion. Then vegetables that are leaves, we have lettuce and spinach. Then vegetables that are flowers is cauliflower and broccoli. Okay, then vegetables that are fruits, brinjal, tomato and cucumber. Then vegetables that are seeds, broad bean, corn and peas, right? Okay, now there is a fun fact which says what are they called? Okay, now we'll read this yellow box. Okay, a flower is that part of plant which grows from a flower. Okay, sorry, a fruit is that part of plant which grows from a flower. पूरा एक प्लांट बन जाता है. प्लांट के ऊपर जब एक छोटा सा फ्लावर आएगा, फ्लावर से फ्रूट बनता है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज अ फ्रूट एक्चुअली? इट इज अ फ्लावर विच हैज बीन ग्रोन. ओके, some vegetables are actually fruits of plants, which we have already learned, right? We saw so many examples. For example, we call brinjal a vegetable, but it is the fruit of brinjal plant. Okay, similarly we also saw tomato, cucumber. These are actually fruit of the plant. ठीक है, ऐसे वो vegetable है पर वो क्या consider होता है? Fruit of the plant, right? So students, we also have cereals and pulses. Now what are cereals and pulses? They are actually the seeds of the plant. Okay, in your textbook it says we eat seeds, that is after being dried up, of some plants as grains. They include cereals and pulses, right? So we have different cereals and pulses which are actually what? The seeds of the plant. अगर आप बाहर कहीं गांव में जाते हैं और खेत देखते हैं, you see the field, you see that जब आप वीट के जो क्रॉप्स होते हैं वो एक्चुअली पहले ग्रीन कलर में होते हैं, राइट? और जब वो अच्छे से पक जाते हैं, ड्राई हो जाते हैं, दे टर्न इनटू गोल्डन कलर. ओके, सो व्हेन दे टर्न इनटू गोल्डन कलर, वो एक्चुअली में क्या हो जाता है? दे आर एक्चुअली द सीड्स ऑफ दैट प्लांट, राइट? सो देर आर सम प्लांट्स विच वी कंज्यूम, या जिसे हम एक सीड्स के तौर पे भी लेते हैं. ओके, सो वो जो सीड्स हम लेते हैं, दे एक्चुअली इंक्लूड इन सीरियल्स एंड पल्सेस. ओके, इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक वी हैव एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ सीरियल्स एज राइस, wheat and oats. Okay, in pulses we have ahar dal, kala chana and rajma. Okay, we include all these things into cereals and pulses. So students, this was your part 1, okay, wherein we understood the uses of plants. Okay, wherein the plants provide us fruits, vegetable. Okay, also in vegetable we understood the different parts of plant which we consume as vegetable. कुछ vegetables हम इस तरीके से use करते हैं जो different parts of plant है. ठीक है, कुछ roots में आते हैं, कुछ seeds में आते हैं, कुछ stem में आते हैं, कुछ flowers में आते हैं और कुछ fruit में आते हैं, right? I hope you have understood the chapter till now. यहाँ तक आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया है. चैप्टर को रीड करिए, अंडरस्टैंड करिए. नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हम और भी आगे जानेंगे कि हमें प्लांट्स किस तरीके से और ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होते हैं. दे आर ऑल्सो हेल्पफुल टू एनिमल्स, नियर बाय एरियाज. ओके, हाउ इट इज़ हेल्पफुल टू ह्यूमन बींग्स. सो वी विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. Till then, read the chapter properly, stay at home, stay safe and do study. Okay, bye.